It's tea time in the jungle. It looks like there's lots of food to choose from. T prefers the cakes and sweets, while Mo likes the salad and savoury things. Mo starts setting the table, but I don't think T wants to stop playing with his building blocks. Hello? It looks like they've had a brilliant idea. Let's help T and Mo make each other a super stacker sandwich. Choose an ingredient from the shelf to start stacking up a super sandwich. Tap or drag an ingredient to stack it on the sandwich. Oh, that looks delicious! Wow, what a treat! Ooh. Oh no, maybe we should build a different type of sandwich. Choose an ingredient from the shelf to start stacking up a super sandwich. Tap or drag an ingredient to stack it on the sandwich. T and Mo both agree there's nothing quite like a super stacker sandwich, even if it sometimes tastes a bit funny.